Thai massage is a type of massage that is traditionally practiced in Thailand. It is also sometimes referred to as Thai yoga massage because the therapist uses their hands, knees, legs, and feet to move the client into a series of yoga-like stretches. It is a combination of acupressure, Indian Ayurvedic principles, and assisted yoga postures. Thai massage is often performed on a mat on the floor rather than a massage table, and it is typically done fully clothed. The therapist uses a combination of rhythmic acupressure, body rocking, and deep stretching to relieve tension and improve flexibility. Thai massage is believed to have originated more than 2,500 years ago and is considered a spiritual practice as well as a form of therapy. Get ready to release tension and stress and feel your body and mind come into balance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Thai massage videos and tips, and visit our website to book your next appointment.